Welcome to My Long Island TV. From Manhasset to Montauk, we have traveled our communities to bring you the following events. I'm your host, Waldo Cabrera. My Long Island TV starts now.
Right now, you are in Merrick, the offices of Design Edge Incorporated. These are the American offices. We also have offices in Hong Kong. We have been in business here for 22 years, developing products, the majority of which have been toys. Currently, my son, Matt, who actually runs the business, has become the creative force, inventing toys, developing toys, doing advertising for toys.
So the story goes, I was about 5 years old, and I was watching like the Kung Fu theater that they used to have on at like 3 o'clock in the afternoon on Saturdays. And I really got into the ninja characters because they were just cool. And believe it or not, in about 1979, ninja wasn't a toy category at all. There were no ninja products on the market at all. It was just a void. So I drew up the characters and I presented it to my father, excited about it. He brought it to his bosses, and they invested hundreds of thousands of dollars into it, licensed it to Tyco, and it became a sensation. Within a few years, ninja became its own category within the toy industry. And a lot of the older guys still call me the Ninja Kid. The unique thing about our family business is that we're not like a deli or something where, you're cutting meat or you're wrapping stuff. I mean, you have to be able to draw and sculpt. And for whatever reason, our entire family is blessed with the ability to draw and paint and sculpt. I would say my wife and my son are my muse. I get a lot of inspiration from them. But, my wife will tell you sometimes I'll wake up in the middle of the night, like, where's a pen? Where's a pen? I got to write something down. But sometimes I wake up and I'm like, ooh, that was dumb. I pretty much, I guess in a self-loathing way, I hate everything I did 20 minutes ago. So I'm always striving to be better. So things that we've done in the past, I just move forward. I mean, there's some funny things that we've done, but we didn't always think they were going to be huge, but we were like, hey, let's make a booger blaster, like something that just like shoots snot all over the place. We think it's great, and maybe even get one of the toy companies excited, but then you find out mall chains won't carry it because they don't want to get you fired around the mall. There's little things there that you just wouldn't expect to be a problem to cause big issues. It takes years. I mean, you really have to get known. It's, again, using the music reference, how do you get people to be your audience? You've got to constantly be out there. You have to build a reputation, and the more you're out there, the more success you have, the more likely the big wigs are to listen to you. What you're looking at is some stuff that's about to come out. They're little dogs that come in a little cupcake wrapper, and they're collectible. They're in a limited series, so every run we replenish and replace them, so there'll be all different dogs, all different animals. And you'll find these on the shelves this upcoming September. Here is the ABC Match Game. It's a children's matching game where you use letter dice and cards to match 3-letter words. Welcome to the lab part of Design Edge, where we do a lot of the physical development, where we take the designs from 2D and transfer them into 3D.
We're working on a prototype for the Snaps Polaroid video projector camera. Here are the internal workings of the initial prototype we made. We also made a sculpt to get the shape and form as we were working on the prototype. Here's the initial concept. That's a working model, so we could test exactly to see what works best.
Not only do we do toy packaging, but we also do a lot of food packaging. All different types of food, frozen food, pizzas. Do a lot of pizza box design, as well as electronics, as we do some stuff for Kodak and Canon and a myriad of other electronic companies.
We enjoy what we do. We like coming to work, and we like inventing. I teach my son and my nephew that not to ever work for anybody, to do it themselves, because that's the American spirit, being an entrepreneur.